Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when they post videos. For this particular recipe, you'll need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of confectioner powdered swerve, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, and you'll need the unsweetened cocoa powder, and we happen to be using the Hershey brand. Now, if you want the authentic dark color of the Oreo cookie or Chaffles, you'll have to either use some food coloring or send out for the dark powdered powder, and I'll have the link below the video. And I get most of my stuff on Amazon, and you could just also just Google it into the Amazon search link. And for our toppings, you'll need 3 ounces of soft cream cheese, which we have already softened on the counter. You'll need 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then you'll need 3 tablespoons of swerve powder, the confectioner powdered swerve again. And then we'll whisk all that together with the electric hand mixer, and that'll be our filling for the inside. When the little Chaffles come off of our mold, plate it, and then we'll put everything all together, and we'll talk about it, sample it together, grab out a few photos, and I'll probably garnish it with a little bit of whipped cream and maybe a couple of fresh strawberries on top of it. But anyway, so so without further ado, we'll go right into the video. At this point, you'll just see me putting the whole process together in the front room. Oh yeah, most important, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below the video if you haven't made the this particular Chaffles before. It's just interesting. I decided to make something different. And so today is Valentine's Day. I just wanted to wish everybody, and ladies out there especially, a happy Valentine's Day. And have a great day. Hi guys, and welcome back to the back channel and back room over here. So hi, this is Ron from Ron's Keto Cafe. So today we made Oreo Chaffles for the first time. I don't know how this is going to taste. Don't know. This is all experimental. So what we did was we took 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of powdered swerve, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 eggs. Blended it all together with the stick blender, and then we got the mini dash going, a little bit of coconut spray in it. The first Chaffle came out really good. It had a few holes in it, but I didn't quite fill up the mold. And then the other two kind of like, you know, they kind of like got the shape they got. But be that as it may, we ended up getting 3 Chaffles out of the egg mixture that I had made. And then we took 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and 3 tablespoons of swerve powder, the Confectioner swerve powder. And then we mixed that all together, and as a result, I'll show you the Chaffle that I took for a photograph. This is what it ended up with, and I stuffed it really well with the cream cheese mixture. And now we're gonna, before I destroy that one, I don't know how this is gonna taste. This is like funky. So this is the third one that I had gotten, and I just loaded it up with cream cheese. So why don't we take a bite into the Oreo Chaffle for the first time and see what it tastes like. And it kind of looked pretty cool. It's pretty good. I give it definitely on a scale from 1 to 10, probably about a 7. Now let me know if you ever made this particular recipe before, and if you ever made it this way before. But I'll definitely make it again. I just want to try a different type of cheese or something like that, maybe a different type of cocoa powder, and to get the now again, if you want the authentic black color of a Hershey's cookie, you'll have to get that kind of powder, or use food coloring, which we didn't have either one on hand. And again, most of my stuff I get it on Amazon. But let me know what you guys think. And anyways, happy St. Valentine's Day. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.